So hello guys, good afternoon everyone. Hope you guys are doing great. I'm also doing great here. And today my destination is like antique place where I'm going now. I don't want to say right now. Keep watching guys and you'll know where I'm going now. It's really beautiful place. And today I'm not alone. Today my wife giving me a company. Come say to hi to my viewers.
Hi.
Okay, so that's it guys. Now we're heading now. Thumbs up. All right guys, now we're heading now. Oh, I can see the 4 people are riding in one motor. The weather is like today's sunny day. It's feel a little bit in it. Wow, this is really cool. They're making nice road over here. See? Wow, it's very thick. It's a concrete road. I think that I can see the front scooter. The back tire, there is no proper air. There is lack of air. So after that, maybe they are going to make over here the road, I think. I can see in this island, man, within 2 years they are making so many progress, man. The road is very nice. When I came first time here, oh my, it's all rough road, dusty. It's gravel. Now I can see the huge difference. But there is still left somewhere. They are still working on it. Maybe this year, maybe they'll going to finish all road here in Ireland. Oh, there's a broken road. I can see a broken road. Maybe they're going to finish this one also. So we have to cross Trudella. That means
From there, let's check from the main road.
Okay. So this is the way to go. Is it okay? It's off? Ah, okay. What is this? Maybe we can ask? To them?
More.
We can ask to her.
Pwede mo kaya? Asang busay? Unahan pa? Salamat.
So we asked to her. She said this way. It's nice. I can see so many houses in this area. Oh, this one is cemetery? Oh, here is cemetery also. It's so near. Wow. Even this side is province, but the road is still damn good.
Return. Cute siya ba na? Kaya temporary close. Back.
So shit. So guys, the bad luck. You can see here the Busai Falls. Actually, we are going to Busai Falls. It's temporarily closed until further notice. It's bad luck. So, どこ行くべ? Nanay no birthday やったのところ行く? 스위밍やる処置で then 戻る. どう? 大丈夫? So guys, it's really bad luck, so we're heading to another destination. I can see here so many people. Maybe they are just came for the cemetery, I think. Cemetery? Oh. And somebody's dead, so here in the Philippines, people are used to come like this. Many people, I think they are all relatives or neighbors, something like that. I can see here so many motor. And you can see here also lots of motor. What does that mean? Do you know, guys? That means here the chicken fight tournament. Filipino likes so much chicken fight. They're holding a chicken. I can see, like, you know, many people are holding a chicken sometimes. beach. You can see behind us there. People are playing volleyball over there, and so many coconut trees over here. So now I'm going to swim here. I don't know it's dirty or clean. Let's see, guys. The beach is very big, but it's not so good. Anyway, I'm gonna dive. So I have a camera here. I'm gonna put this one here, and I'll go to swim, guys.
No.
And like next time over there, there is a nice garden. But you should be careful about the coconut, because coconut might fall down and it will danger. So there is many coconut, that's why. Otherwise it's okay. It's really nice. And now. So guys, we just finished swimming. So we are just make a walk at the beach. And so you guys can see there's so many people are having party over there with music something. Whoop. So people are swimming here. You can see. So I'm here. I'm just carry your back because I cannot live over there. There is so many people you can trust. Because here, like, I have here a lot of stuff, but I have to carry this one. So just make a walk at the beach. So guys, we just enjoy a lot over here, and it's really fun. It was really fun, and thank you so much for watching my video, and have a great day, guys.